Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect bench accounting software to QuickBooks for cleanup, complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have both your bench accounting software and QuickBooks accounts set up and accessible. Log into your bench account using your credentials. Navigate to the Settings tab found in the lower left corner of the dashboard. Locate the Integrations section within the Settings menu. Click on the option to connect QuickBooks. You will be redirected to the QuickBooks login page. Enter your QuickBooks credentials to authorize the connection. Grant the necessary permissions for Bench to access your QuickBooks data. After authorization, return to your Bench account. Confirm that the integration is active in the Integrations section. Next, decide the scope of the data you want to sync. Select the relevant date range for your records, ensuring you capture all necessary transactions. Proceed to map your accounts in Bench with those in QuickBooks. This may involve matching income, expense, and asset accounts accordingly. After mapping, double-check for any discrepancies that may need manual adjustments. Once everything is confirmed, initiate the data transfer. Monitor the progress of the sync to ensure it completes successfully. After syncing, log into your QuickBooks account to review imported data. Check for accuracy in transaction entries and account balances. If necessary, make adjustments to rectify any errors that may have occurred during the transfer. Document any adjustments for future reference and auditing purposes. Lastly, periodically review the integration to ensure smooth ongoing operation. Now, you are equipped to efficiently connect bench accounting software to QuickBooks for effective cleanup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.